see love and handle, the heart's broken, the heart's bangled. You see, but love couldn't be too soon. You see me and I see you. Okay. Good afternoon, and if it's morning or night or midnight, whatever you're watching this video. Okay, so you might think about hating. Well, you're not supposed to hate. Hate is a big no. But if you love, that's a big yes. I remember when I was in pre-K, we used to go, no, and yes. So, it is a raining day, and they're calling that maybe we could get, it is 2015, June, I don't even know what June it is, but all I know is you guys be careful. And I live close to Rustburg, but I'm not gonna exactly tell you where I live, but it's kinda near Rustburg, if you can guess. And so if you find it, you need to comment under if you know where it is. But see, this flood, it's been raining for 2 days or so, and it's not supposed to stop till tomorrow morning. So I'm just like, is it gonna rain tomorrow too, or is it? How long is it gonna be when it stops raining? Because of course I had my bathing suit on this morning, waiting to get in. But guess what? That's a big no. Because they were calling for storms. I was like, hopefully it'll stop. But then it starts raining this morning. And I'm like, really? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Then I go to sleep and wake back up at like 9 something. And I'm like, how did I fall asleep? So it's been a long day. It's 6 something in the evening. It's almost 7 o'clock. So yeah. It's been a long day. It's basically 7 o'clock. 6:56, 7 o'clock. Okay, so if you watch Nickelodeon, I'm not a fan of it. I'm not really a fan because I'm just in the middle. I don't watch Nickelodeon now, but you better not make fun of me. No. Look, this was no. Yes. Or you go. No. Yes. Or you can go for yes. You can go. This was yes. This was no. This was yes. And this was no. Okay. So, just a reminder for today. There's gonna be 70-mile-per-hour wind, and if you watch the news, and they're calling for it could give us a flood that you never know. They're saying different places will get a flood, and where I live is supposed to. But just be prepared, because in all kinds of places it's raining like this. It hasn't stopped since this morning, and getting tired. Okay, so in this morning it was still dribbling on, and I didn't know it was exactly raining. I come outside and feel the air. No pool for me, because I had been watching the news and I was hoping that it wouldn't rain. There it goes, it rains. So each gift, more life per roll. Bounty. So I'm just being a reminder for those. And try Bounty napkins. Hi.